And I started to say my story that I have going on and write some techniques down. For example, when you're suggesting to a girl, for example, to meet today, so give one suggestion and she says no, so don't ask why or something like that. She's envy for her. You know?
Depends on situation. Before I used.
He lost a girlfriend and he's trying to get her back. So she is having another male. Haircut, for example, sometimes you keep longer, your hair longer, when you keep shorter. So you change. For example, what openers you know? What openers you will use?
Actually, I'm not.